Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll answer your questions about creating a broadcast channel on Instagram. Eligibility criteria. Instagram only allows big creators or influencers with a consistent following and large follower base to create broadcast channels. If you have a small Instagram account, you won't be able to create a broadcast channel. Creating a broadcast channel for eligible accounts. If you're eligible, you'll see the broadcast channel creation option on your Instagram profile. To access it, 1. Go to your Instagram profile. 2. Click on the plus icon. 3. If you're eligible, you'll see the broadcast channel option. Troubleshooting. If you're eligible but can't see the broadcast channel option, 1. Click on the three-lined icon at the top right corner. 2. Scroll down and select Help. 3. Click on Report a problem. 4. Describe your issue and send the report. Instagram will contact you shortly to assist with your issue. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.